What's up guys, welcome at Sons 4x4, our Land Rover Range Rover specialists. They have helped us out in the past with our L322 Range Rover supercharged. When we had the troubles with our Range Rover Sport diesel, they also checked out that car for us, and now we are here for our first mods with the Defender. Let's check it out. So the first mod is this QuickSilver exhaust, which is the rear silencer and the center silencer. This is going to provide a lot more sound with a remote, so we should be able to switch between sort of stock sound and nice loud V8 sound. And then we've got the Land Rover mud flaps as well to make it a little less urban, a little more country.